so important to understand body language. For survival, dogs typically do not go into full-fledged fighting because fighting may potentially cause them injury. There's disadvantages for survival in the natural setting. So dogs actually do communicate discomfort with lots of displacement behaviors and also warning behaviors before they go into a full-fledged fight or full-fledged attack. If a dog does charge at you, make a loud sound and use items in your environment to scare the dog off if you can. Get out of danger if you can. If you are in fact being attacked, you want to protect your vitals, the neck, your front organs, and easy access to your limbs. So the best way is to tuck yourself into a ball on the ground. In fact, the submission gesture that displayed as you tuck yourself into a ball may actually lower the dog's aggression towards you as you have removed yourself as a threat in their eyes.